So I've been given this Lada on the condition that I can get out of here. So figure, might as well do a time lapse. See what happens. Here's a fun one. It's up to the wheels. It's been here 20 years. Well, I think that's as good as it's going to get for today. All chopped up the trees. Looking kind of sorry for itself, but it's all there. Doesn't really matter for what I've planned though, but it's nice to know it wasn't ripped apart. Battery's still there, which is going to be an interesting one. Moving on to the interior, well, it is entirely fucked. Wheel is sweet, but there's not really much left. That's okay too. I have plans. Not a huge deal. The fun part is the fact that on this side, you can see daylight. There is absolutely no rocker panel left on this thing. Not even a little bit. So, yeah, that's going to be an interesting one. Parts for this are dirt cheap. So, as long as I can actually get it out of here without breaking it in half. New rocker panels are literally like 20 bucks a side. So, I'm not too worried about that. It's just a matter of actually not ripping the car in half. Trunk is rather rusty too. Don't know how all this dirt got in here. It was probably up to like, I don't know, there when I started digging out all this stuff that was just in the dirt. Don't know how that happened, but old propane conversion's still there. Need to, well, I'm assuming the trunk floor is gone. That's not a big deal either. That piece of metal's like 40 bucks. Stamped original, all that jazz. Trunk doesn't stay shut, which is fun, but, you know, I know I can get a new one of those. Moving on, passenger side, it is still really freaking buried. Thinking I'm going to have to wait till the spring to get out of here because it's most likely frozen in. The rocker on this side, though, does actually exist, even if it is, kind of see that, also rotted out on the inside. So at least that makes things easier for ripping it out of the hole it's been in for the last 20 years, and then I'll replace it afterwards. A little more strength. Oh, of course, door doesn't shut. Yeah, that's how she sits at the moment. It's going to be a lot of work, but again, parts are cheap as hell for these, and I have plans that are going to remove a lot of the original metal anyway, so